Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add stickers to WhatsApp. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So to make the video more informative, I will show you how to make stickers with your photos, add them to your WhatsApp and how they can then be deleted. Watch the video to the end and you will learn how. So first of all, go to the gallery and select the photo with which you want to make a sticker. For example, this one. Next you need to press long your finger on the desired object or person and then click copy. After that we go to WhatsApp, in the chat we need and insert the copied photo. As you can see, we get a new sticker with a copied object. Now we can use it. Click here and see that it has appeared in the recently used ones. To remove the stickers you don't need, click on the plus sign and go to My Stickers, then click Edit. Now we can move them or click here and delete them. That's how simple it is. Also watch my other videos about WhatsApp at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.